few days ago, I went crazy and decided I needed to get this roof done. I made this contraption here, a big curved ladder. And I got 2 roof tiles on, which is a pain because I had to scrub the area and get all the algae off first. And right now, I was just taking this down, bending it a little bit, because it wasn't, I was just bending it to conform to the roof a little better. Seems pretty good now. Could still be a little bit better, but let me just climb up it and see how it feels. See what my feelings say. Well, the tiles I did the other day look great. This guy right here and right behind me. And I cleaned off all up here. All that dark part, that's algae I need to scrub off. That's gonna be fun. Man, the view up here is crazy. This is kind of the point where I don't really need a ladder. I can just climb on the roof. And I think I'm fine. It does make me a little bit nervous how this bows out until I get some weight on it. And then it's fine. I got my emergency safety rope. Stop myself from falling off the edge. All right. So the other day, when I made this crazy thing, it was pouring rain out, and that's when I came up and scrubbed the algae off, just with a squirt bottle of soap and a scrub and a stick on a scrub, or a scrub on a stick. That's the best time to do it when it's pouring rain. It was also real windy. Okay, it was kind of a storm, but that was the rinse. I didn't have to bring water up. So I think every time it pours rain, I'm just going to come up here, scrub the next section of the roof so that I can get the next tiles on. You know what I could do this right now actually, is just put the tile above these 2. Oh, and I did scrub up over there some. I don't know. I'm definitely not getting any video of working up here. It's because this is a little dangerous. And I need to focus on what I'm doing. All right, let me come down. I think this is good.